Hello everybody and welcome back. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, today we're going to use a while loop and we're going to count up to 10. So I'm going to create a function first. No, I'm not. I'm going to create a list and I'm going to call that list X. Okay, so here is my list and it's simply going to be numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So there's my list. And now I'm going to create a function called count numbers. Okay, so that's my function called count numbers. So X, let's have a look. X is equal to 0. Okay, so X is going to be equal to 0. That's the count. Okay, so while X is less than 10. Okay, so while it's less than 10, we've got to do something. So we've got to go through the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do that by incrementing them. So X is equal to X plus 1. Okay. What we're going to do when we reach the number, let's say the number 5, we're going to print a message to the user telling the user that we've reached the number 5 in the list. So we do this with a conditional. If X is equal to 5, we're going to do something and we're going to print a message. Simple message, 5 reached. Okay, saying that we've reached the number 5. Okay, and then we're going to continue on until we reach the number 10. Now, all we're going to do now is print X. Okay, and in order to run the program, we're going to have to call it. So we're going to have to call it by its name, which is count numbers. So we simply type in count numbers. Okay, now we save it, and I've already got a file open, so I just save it to that. But basically what you do is you create a folder in your documents and call it something like Python and save all your Python files there. And remember, when you save your Python files, give it a name and then it's got to end in .py. Very, very important, or else you won't be able to run your programs. Okay, let's run this program now. So run module. And there we go. We started off at number 1. We counted 2, 3, 4, 5. When we got to 5, we printed out this here, print 5 reached, and then we carried on with this continue up until we reached the number 10. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you like that.